For over 10 years, UltraFest has been a celebration of ultrasound in medical education. Initially started by the Ultrasound Interest Group under the supervision and inspiration of Dr. Chris Fox, the UCI Medical School has put together this amazing event to celebrate what students and all learners can do with the power of ultrasound. This event consists of amazing lectures by rock stars in the field of ultrasound from specialties such as internal medicine, pediatrics, surgery, critical care, and emergency medicine. These lectures are usually followed by hands-on sessions where students break out into small groups and get to spend hours of time honing what they've learned in the didactic section with hands-on learning with the experts themselves. They often get a chance to scan with the latest and greatest technology in point-of-care ultrasound as well. UltraFest was not immune to the challenges of the pandemic, and in 2021, for their 10th annual medical student event, they decided to take on this challenge and host a virtual UltraFest. Now, they could have just played videos of previous years and kept it as a simple exposition of learning. However, the planners wanted to push the limits of what they could do, and the technology helped them do so. Many of the lectures were converted to this view that you see here by Dr. Chris Fox, where he's actually demonstrating how to perform the scan, and you can see a combination of what he sees on the screen as well as his hand position to allow learners to better follow along when they are scanning.
And now we're moving on to the pipes. And for the pipes, it's really two things. It's the aorta. And the aorta, we already saw a little bit in that sagittal view. I'll get it again. Oh, I need to change this back to abdomen. Let's go to...
You can see here that using the software built in to the Butterfly IQ platform, our faculty could review scans that were being performed in real time by students from all over the United States.
And then if you take a deep breath in and hold it, and then go ahead and slide to the patient's right a little bit. Maybe try that again.
Now, UltraFest 2021 consisted of over 130 participants representing 21 teams from across 8 universities across the US.
Perfect. Yeah, that's a really good view, popped into view there.
And it was all made possible by this combination of Butterfly and iPad. And you can see how the different teams here are scanning and getting feedback from our local ultrasound experts. While this was a great success for UltraFest in a big conference format, this also lays the foundation for what we can do in the future with virtual and remote learning. And it really opens up the possibilities for iPad, Butterfly, and any sort of innovative instruction moving forward.